I will just take a moment in between before Madhura and really feel very happy to hear what Meenal had to share, even knowing about her journey. So, yes, Meenal, I really agree with many of your thinking that, you really have to uh, have focus and maybe go after learning and not after money. Money will follow you if you don't need to follow the money.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
thank yeah, thank you very much for being here. And of course, over to Madhura. We also have Principal Sir who would like to have a word with you. So Madhura, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Menan. It was so overwhelming. We were we were feeling so proud when you were talking and sharing your experience. All the best to you for your future endeavors, and I hope you keep growing and achieving new heights of success in your career. I would request Principal Sir. Sir, would you like to ask some questions to Meenal? आप मीनल से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हो सर?
अरे भाई बहुत बहुत ही बढ़िया बढ़िया जर्नी दिखा मेरे को. आई एम सो इम्प्रेस. आई एम सो हैप्पी. द गर्ल हु पास आउट इन 2008 and pursuing her career in pharma field. I belongs to that profession only. I'm so happy. मुझे याद है अच्छे से जब वर्षा मैम बात कर रही थी कि सर आप इंटरव्यू में रहेंगे ना तो बहुत मजा आएगा आपको. तो इन ट्रू सेंस मुझे अगर पूछो इट्स अ मोटिवेशनल फीलिंग फॉर मी. एट द सेम टाइम एक छोटी चीज जो आपने बताई मिनल कि कहीं तो भी डीएस जो है मेरे लिए मदरली फिगर का काम किया है या पेरेंट का काम किया है. सो ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ पीवी पॉलिटेक्निक or those alumni who is watching this live webcast, I must say कि भाई पीवी पॉलिटेक्निक को आपका सेकंड मायका बनाने का सोचा है हमने. ठीक है, आप जब भी आओ आपको वही पॉलिटेक्निक देखेगा, वही क्लासरूम और वही टीचर. अब मैं थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ कर जाऊंगा, वो से रिटायर्ड होने हैं. बट अगर आप जैसे एलुमनाई आ जाते, आप जैसे जो भी एलुमनाई मेरे अपने हैं अगर आते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली आपके अपने टीचर भी पॉलिटेक्निक में बैक आना पसंद करेंगे. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड मोटिवेटिंग आवर व्यूअर जो डीएस में एडमिशन लेना पसंद कर रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए एक अच्छा फीलिंग आपने दिया. 2 कोर्सेस और उसमें आपने चॉइस किया डीएस का. राइट. डीएस की अगर बात करें मेरे दिल के काफी करीब इसलिए है बिकॉज लॉट्स ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर केम फ्रॉम दिस डिपार्टमेंट. ठीक है, और सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगी मेरे को कि जैसे कहते हैं ना कि प्रिंसिपल कैबिन में जाना तो काफी कुछ, अरे कौन जाते बैठेगा यार. राइट. सो जब मैं डीएस की बात करूं तो डीएस वाले जब भी मिलते हैं तो मुझे अपनापन महसूस होता है. ठीक है, विदाउट एनी फियर एंड अदर थिंग नहीं. और जो अपनापन महसूस कराता है वो वैसे ही आपके दिल के करीब रहता है. राइट. So very soon I will see you, Minal, in PV Polytechnic, your own alma mater, because you are the stakeholder. So let's see कि आपने जब एग्जिट मारा था पीवी पॉलिटेक्निक तब का और अब का क्या चेंजेस है और कैसे है. ठीक है.
Sure, sir.
यस, मैं मानता हूँ कुछ चीजों में कि पॉलिटेक्निक में डिसिप्लिन 85% अटेंडेंस ये सब मैंडेटरी है भाई, ये पार्ट है. बट मैं आपको बता दूं को करिकुलर और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज होती है. अभी 2008 के बाद आपने जब छोड़ा, आज पॉलिटेक्निक में पूरा 2 वीक फुल एंजॉयमेंट रहता है. ठीक है, 2 महीना 2 हफ्ता जो है वो जो भी मेमोरीज कलेक्ट करनी है वो एब्सोल्युटली उसके लिए वो क्या कहेंगे हम लोग, मेमोरी भरने का काम करते हैं. ठीक है. सो पढ़ाई भी होती है, मस्ती भी होती है. मस्ती एक लेवल तक ठीक होती है बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आप जब ग्रो करते हो तो इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम बनता है. जब आप अच्छी जगह पे जाते हो फीलिंग होता है बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली क्वीन बनने के बाद ही क्वीन मेकर कहलाएंगे ना. सो दैट्स द थिंग. वेरी सून मैं आपको पसंद करूंगा पॉलिटेक्निक में. एट द सेम टाइम वर्षा मैम भी बोले थे जब हमने वो वेबिनार का सोचा था, तो सर जब वेबिनार की बात आती है, एलुमनाई सिलेक्शन होता है, तो मैम बड़ी चूजी होती है. ठीक है. सो हैप्पी टू सी कि right person और मजा आया आपका इंटरव्यू सुनते हुए. Thank you so much. Over to
Thank
you, Madhura ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir. As usual, very motivating and encouraging words. So thank you so much.
We also have Milind and Kajal with us. They
Yes.
may, Kajal, you may have question with our alumni. You are our senior most alumni here. So, and Milind may want to ask something.
Yes, I would like to ask you one thing. Minal, congrats for all what you have achieved.
Thank
You know,
you.
I only came online today because it was my college, and where I have seen wonderful days, and what I am today is only because of my college. You know, called as the most naughtiest girl, but the most achievements also we had from there only. Minal, I want to know one thing. Did you ever think about becoming an employer?
Yes, it's a long-term goal.
Why long term? Why not now? I'm
I
told
want,
you're a tax.
I yeah, but I want to gain the experience first and then start off my own.
So it's how many years now since you're doing this? You left in 2005, right?
No, I left in 2011.
2011. So it's 9 years. I think now you should become an employer. 5 years is enough for learning and then start doing it, because you learn much more as an employer, and you have the capability of giving more to employing more people, the more girls, and the girls who will leave our college itself, you can employ them. I think that should be the motto our college should have. That's what I was chatting with Varsha ji and asking why our girls don't talk about being employers and only employees.
No,
Yes,
Minal, hold her hand. Just hold her hand. She has offered it. Kajal is our first employer, first entrepreneur, first student of our course, 1976 batch.
Okay.
And she's always been there to help all our alumni department, whatever. And she wants to see all as many students passing out turning into entrepreneurs. If you have that your long term goal, just hold her hand now, don't let her go.
Sure, sure.
welcome, anytime welcome. And
Sure.
Minal, all the M's, the names starting with M, become employers very fast. So I was also M first. Now I'm Kajal. I
Oh,
was
Mohini.
so I think you should take that opportunity of doing it, dear. All the best to you. Nice talking to you. And Varsha ji, it's so nice to see you all guys after a long time. Yeah, I miss you
Yeah.
people. I miss the college, and our professor. I mean our Dr. Ladda saying, principal saying that this is the mica of the alumni. Wow, that really brought tears to my eyes.
Yeah,
SMI.
and Kajal, very soon we are going to have series with our entrepreneur alumnus. So
Sure.
looking forward to seeing you there.
Varsha ji, anytime, anything for you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Milind.
dear.
Yeah, Milind, anything would you like to?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Minal. And heartiest congratulations. As you rightly said, you still remember that short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals, okay? And my request to do visit that book again now, right? Or that assignment and see where you can add more now in your long-term goals. And you have handled big teams now, handling 7 to 8 team at a young age. It's a great achievement. And I'm sure you'll move to handle bigger teams. And as Kajal Anand ma'am has rightly said, to be an entrepreneur, right? So it's a long-term again goal for you to, in the shortest time, what you can achieve that. And wish you all the best. And I'm sure the viewers who are listening are inspired by you, like alumni who is reaching such a higher level in a short time with all the qualities what you have absorbed. As I always said, be a mumukshu, a sponge, which you always absorb all the knowledge and the learnings and the teachings. So wish you all the best. And I like the way you said, I'm a learner. I'm a learner and then keep learning. So keep learning, like dream big and achieve bigger goals in your life. So all the best to you and all the viewers. Go for diploma and administration services to achieve your goals in your life and your future careers and endeavors. Thank you so much. And over to you, Madhura ma'am. Thank you.
Madhura ma'am, your mic is mute.
So thank you, sir. So on behalf of Department of Administration Services, I wish to thank all our viewers for joining with us today. Special thanks to Milind Rane sir and Kajal Anand madam for taking out their valuable time and joining with us. And this is really very encouraging for us. Meenal Joshi for taking out time for us from your busy schedule. Respected Principal Sir for his support and guidance. Our department head, Varsha Jain Madam, for initiating this concept and for all the intellectual contributions that she keeps giving us time to time. And the team members of DAS for their creative and technical contribution and participation to execute today's event. We would also like to inform everyone that the next in series will be interaction with alumni of one of our most vibrant batch of DS, batch 2006-2009. There will be 5 alumni from 5 different, they are a group of 5 students, ex-students from different backgrounds who will be sharing their experience with us on 13th of August. Timing will be same, evening 5 to 6 p.m. See you all on 13th August. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye. Thank you so much.
Shirley, you are on mute.
Yes, we have a question and answer session. In case the viewers have had any questions that they've written in the chat box, we could answer them, at least a few of them, and the rest of them we could answer later. So are there any questions,
yes,
Asabi madam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There is one question in the Facebook live that what did you think of the campus and extracurricular activities, and what message would you like to give for the newcomers? From Brinda Pankam. This is a message from a question from Brinda. Over to you, Shari ma'am.
This is to Meenal. The question is to Meenal.
Okay.
Okay. So campus and extracurricular activities, all of them are helping you to build your self-confidence, your clarity towards your goal. So extracurricular activities involve the games, the excursions, external speakers who comes to share their experiences. It also gives an opportunity where, like Principal Sir rightly said, that there are 2 weeks full of fun, where an opportunity to even set a stall out or set a counter outside the college and have fun about interacting with different departments by selling something or something or the other, and having something for your department. Yoga, of course. I'm really sorry. I extremely forgot yoga. That I actually started loving yoga just because of that. It gives such a good immunity power, and the professor who teach yoga is like amazing. It's really amazing. So for you, if you want to join Brinda, is really good if you have it, and if you're already there in the course, please enjoy it and take everything seriously.
Yeah, I think the teacher who taught you has now gone to the US. Now we have
I
Shama.
think she was Pandya ma'am. What I remember, she was
Nanda
Pandya ma'am.
Pandya. Yeah, Nanda ma'am. Nanda.
Yeah. Any more questions, Asabri madam?
No, ma'am. There are no more questions on Facebook. Thank you.
Okay. Then Madhura madam, can you close it once more, please?
Yeah. So thank you everyone for joining us. Stay safe. Again, I'm saying take care. And thank you all. See you all on 13th of August. Stay tuned from 5 to 6 p.m. Thank you so much.
Meenal. Thank you, Kajal, and thank you, Milind.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.